Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious beef tacos. First, select 1 pound of ground beef, ideally with an 80/20 lean to fat ratio for optimal flavor. Brown the beef thoroughly in a large skillet over medium-high heat, breaking it apart as it cooks until no pink remains. Once cooked, carefully drain any excess fat from the pan to ensure your tacos aren't too greasy. This step is crucial for a great texture. Now it's time to add flavor to your beef. Stir in 2 tablespoons of your favorite taco seasoning mixed directly into the brown meat. Next, pour in 1/2 cup of water or beef broth. This helps distribute the seasoning and keeps the meat moist. Bring the mixture to a gentle simmer and let it cook for 5 to 7 minutes, allowing the liquid to reduce and the flavors to meld beautifully. With your seasoned beef ready, let's assemble those tacos. First, warm your taco shells or tortillas as directed on their package for the best texture. Then, fill each warmed shell with approximately 1/4 cup of the delicious seasoned beef. Finally, set out a variety of toppings such as shredded cheese, crisp lettuce, diced tomatoes, and salsa, allowing everyone to customize their perfect taco. Your amazing beef tacos are now ready to be served. For the absolute best taste and texture, enjoy them immediately while everything is warm and fresh. Don't forget to add a final touch with some fresh cilantro and a squeeze of lime juice for a burst of brightness. Also, make sure to check the description below for a link to those fantastic leak-proof containers and other great deals to help with your meal prep. Enjoy your homemade taco feast.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.